why would you go against what the market wants to do? You can't decide what the government's doing, right? Unless, well, you're supposed to be able to, but as we can see, you have no power in what the government's doing right now. And so we see that it wants to go back up. It just wants to trend up. So for our micros, we know that during the one day, it wants to trend up, right? Everything was on a downtrend because of Trump. But if you look closer, you can see this trend right here forming back up. It wants to go and touch this green line right here, which is the new higher high. It really wants to do that. This is where price is right now. And I know I got a lot of lines and stuff. I'll get to those in another video. But this is just me vlogging my experience, and I'm trying to give y'all a little bit of knowledge while I'm doing it so y'all aren't lost in the sauce. Right here is where price is trading. You see that number, that blue number, and that yellow MS, that's where price is. That's the number you want to look at. So right now it's currently trading 6747.50, right? And it's just going up and it's going down. Well, this is the one day. Price was trending daily up until Trump tweeted whatever he tweeted about China, right? I'm not gonna get into semantics, but you can see from Friday when it dropped till last week, it's been trending back up and it wants to touch this. And I know it wants to touch this. Now, how long it's gonna take for it to touch this, we don't know. We don't know. And if it breaks this, it'll be a new higher high, right? And the pattern looked exactly the same, almost identical to the NASDAQ. So one is the S&P, but look, they almost look identical, especially with this drop right here. This drop, they look literally almost identical, right? They're both trending up. That's technically what we need to know.